And when you're 52, you want to be a plumber.
I do.
Okay. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm
Well,
I'm just
sooner than
checking.
that.
You might be asking yourself, am I too far gone to enter the trades? Will my knees hold up? Is it worth it for me and my family to make this transition? An apprentice at my age? These are all valid questions. I ain't no spring chicken anymore, but I think I have the answer. So stick around to the end and I'll let you know. Here's the truth. I've seen people of all ages get started in the trades successfully. Sure, a lot of folks start early in their career, but the trades welcome people with open arms. You might be surprised on how late people start in the game. If I could just give you a couple examples. One, I'm at my trade school. There is a man in my class that is in his 50s.
Wow.
So if that doesn't tell you anything, I don't know what will. My journeyman that I work under is 64 years old. And he entered, I think he was around 35, 40 years old. This question, am I too old for the trades, really depends on you. Depends on a couple questions that you might need to answer. Questions like, what are my financial responsibilities? Of course. What expectations do my family members have on me? How is my health? Am I willing to give up my current job for this next job? Will it be worth it? Do I like this kind of work? Your stance on those questions really will dictate whether or not you want to reset your career. And let me tell you this, the trades are the long game. They are. With AI coming out, with inflation hitting all-time highs, it might seem scary for you. And for me, it definitely was. I went from white collar to blue collar. I was older, 28, when I joined the trades, but I think it'll be worth it. Do you get paid less in the beginning? Yes, but when don't you get paid less in the beginning? A little Tony Robbins for you. If you're willing to work hard, train, and learn and put in the time and effort, you will get paid your weight. And then there's that whole opportunity for business ownership down the line. If you really want to learn and you craft your reputation, it will precede you and allow you to use your social network to become a service provider for the people in your area. And there's enough work to go around. There really is. So now I turn the question to you. Do you think there is an age limit for people to start in the trades? Is it 30? Is it 40? Is it 50? What does it depend on? It might be worth it just to stay in your job. That's a brutal, honest truth, because you're not going to see a substantial increase in your wages for the first year, 2 years. This is a licensed industry. And unless you're in an industry like maybe carpentry or drywalling or you're a handyman. So just think about it. And if you can leave a comment, I'd love you for that. I'm trying to grow this thing. But if not, no worries.